In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Instagram without a password, step by step. If you're locked out or simply can't remember your password, don't worry. This method walks you through safely getting back into your account using the recovery options built into the app. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. On the login screen, tap the option that says Forgot Password. This takes you to a page where Instagram helps you find your account and confirm it's really you. Here, choose how you want to locate your account. You can enter the email address linked to your profile, type your username, or tap Find by Mobile Number and enter your phone number if that's how you signed up. Pick the option you can access right now since you'll need to receive a verification code. When you've entered your details, tap Continue. Instagram will send a verification code to the email or phone number you selected. Open your inbox or your text messages and look for that code. These codes are time sensitive, so check promptly and keep the app open so you can switch back easily. For your security, never share this code with anyone. Return to Instagram, enter the verification code exactly as shown, and tap Continue. If you're currently logged in on another device like a tablet or a second phone, Instagram may ask you to approve the login request there. Open Instagram on that device and confirm the attempt. This is a normal safety check to make sure it's you. If you use an authentication app, you can also enter the code generated there as an alternative verification method. Just open your authenticator, grab the latest code for Instagram, and type it into the app. Once Instagram verifies your identity, you'll see the option to create a new password. This is a great moment to strengthen your account with a unique password you haven't used elsewhere. Type your new password and continue. If you'd rather keep your current password for now, you can tap Skip. For added security, especially if you suspect someone else might have accessed your account, you can choose to log out of all other devices. That signs you out everywhere else and helps ensure only you stay logged in. And that's it. You've successfully logged in without needing your old password using Instagram's built-in recovery tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.